Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this cake with plums inside. This is really easy to make and it is really beautiful and not usual at all. Follow my channel so you see more of these videos. First of all, let's prepare the plums. Let's wash them and take the seeds out. Let's do the math. 8 eggs, we separate the yolks in the whites. Let's put the yolks into the bowl and 100 grams of sugar and 10 grams of vanilla powder. For 10 or 15 minutes. Then go adding 10 grams of olive oil. Mix it at a high velocity. Then take 110 grams of flour, 30 grams of starch, and 5 grams of soda. Then just put it into the maize and mix it. Then put it into the pan that you're gonna put in the oven and spread it out. Then add the plums. Put into the oven in 110 Celsius for 30 or 35 minutes. Let's do the biscuit. First of all, let's use 140 grams of whites and let's start mixing it. Then go adding 150 grams of sugar. After, add 30 grams of starch and mix it, and then mix it again with the mixer for 1 minute. After, when it's all done, take out of the cake. When it's hot, put the biscuit on top. Then add it again to the oven and add up the temperature to 150 Celsius for 5 minutes. Then take it out and let it cool. This is the result. It's super delicious, easy to make, and really fast to make. I recommend this recipe 100%. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a like if you liked it, and tell me in the commentaries what recipes should I make next. Thank you for watching.